Montgomery County has just passed an increase of the recordation tax for homes purchased that becomes effective October 1st, 2023. It's Friday, August 11th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Montgomery County Council passed legislation authorizing the new tiered rates to help fund capital projects, housing programs, and school renovations. They are also considering raising property taxes 10%, which will further increase the purchase cost in that county. As I reported earlier this year, Arundel County Council passed their legislation to raise the transfer tax fee on properties sold at $1 million or higher, which took effect July 1st. Maryland has 1,001 homes coming to the market soon, another decline in potential inventory this week. 1,452 new properties came to the market since last report, fewer this week than last. 590 went under contract, also fewer than last week, and 807 went pending, also a decline. 892 sold at 100%, list to sold ratio in 7 days. The highest priced home to sell was this home in Severna Parks, Arundel Beach, for $3,450,000. Rentals available rose again this week to $2,094 at $2,500 per month and leasing in 17 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 11th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next week.